Okay, I know some of you are having issues with getting your colors to change and all that stuff. It's not so easy to do when you first start here. Well, I know Sprinkle Bell is one that's having a lot of trouble right now with it, so I just decided to go ahead and use her as an example. I already typed some text in here. You can add colors and fonts in two different ways. Okay, here's one way. You can highlight everything, then you can click on whatever font you want, and then you keep it highlighted, don't click on it again, then go directly over to whatever size you want it to be and then what color you want it to be. Now if you notice, every time I did that, it added these codes in here in brackets. Okay, and each one of them is in a separate bracket. They are at the beginning of the text, and again they are right here at the end of the text as well. Okay, they have to be that way, otherwise it does not work. Now I like to add a different color for the person's name, so you can highlight the person's name and you can go back up to the color and you can click on it. Now what it did is that color code, it just framed that word that I highlighted. So that's one way to do this. Now the other way to do this is by just going ahead and clicking on the font, and see, you just did the font, and this is the whole deal. You got to make sure that that cursor is in between these two brackets, the ending and the beginning of the next code. You can click on the number and it adds it right in between those, and with the color it's going to do exactly the same thing. It's going to add it right in between. And then if you want to keep that color for all of your text, hit enter so that it has a gap in between those, and then you can start typing right here. Okay, it's just scribble right now, but that's how you can do it, and then that's it.